Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for US Transit Visa from Canada full guide. Start by confirming eligibility and your need for a transit visa, then complete the DS-160 online form carefully and save the confirmation number. Gather supporting documents like passport, travel itinerary, and proof of onward travel. Pay the visa fee and book any required interview. Prepare concise answers about your travel purpose and be honest throughout the process. Begin by filling out the DS-160 and double-checking names, passport data, and travel dates to avoid delays. After completing the form, pay the non-refundable visa fee and download the receipt for your records. Next, book your consular appointment and prepare originals and copies of your passport, itinerary, and proof of onward travel. Practice concise answers about your transit purpose and have documents organized in a clear folder for the interview. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect for travel days between connections, keeps you hydrated during long layovers, and fits most airline cup holders. I use it for airport walks and gate waits, and it makes travel simpler. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. On interview day, be calm and concise when answering questions about where you are headed and why you need to transit through the US. Present your passport, DS-160 confirmation, payment receipt, and proof of onward travel or connections clearly. Keep answers focused on the transit nature of your trip and avoid volunteering extra information. If the officer asks for more documents, provide them promptly and politely to help the decision process move smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.